Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Tricky Maths Part 32. The aim of this puzzle is to find the missing letters. Each column, each row, and the two main diagonals contain each of the letters in the word money. So if you go across the 5 rows, the 5 columns and the 2 diagonals, when the puzzle is solved, all the letters are contained in each column, each row and the 2 main diagonals. So you can pause the video now if you wish and see if you can solve the puzzle. I'll go on now and we will look at the solution. But here's your chance to pause right now. The first letter that is easy to find is the letter N. So if you focus on that square there, we already have M, we already have O. Now you've also got to take into account the diagonal, because remember the diagonal counts. There's no N in either the diagonal or the column, but there's an E and there's a Y. So that's why that N there is very, very easy to find. So we can put the letter N in, and I've just done it in red to show you that that's the one we've added. Let's look at the next slide to see if we can find another letter. So the first letter was N, we've already done that. The next letter is O. If you look at the diagonal now, because we already found the letter N, that must be O. So that's our next letter. So we've already found 2 letters. Let's look at one more. The next letter is Y. See here? We had E, O, N and M, so that naturally has to be Y. So we found 3 of the letters, so it will be easy to find the rest. They are all on the next slide. Now if you had any difficulties with it, you are still able to pause the video right here and see if you can finish it off. I'll go on to the next slide now and we'll see the full solution. So here's the full solution now with all the letters in there, and they're coloured that particular colour there. So they're those letters that we added. So how did you go? And I hope you enjoyed the puzzle. It's quite a straightforward one, but you just have to look at it carefully, and I don't think you would have had too much trouble in solving that.